Hi, we are doing logarithm. What is given? Log x to the base 5 is y and 5 raised to the power 2y plus 3 we have to express in terms of x. So now what is given to us? Log x to the base 5 is y. We will change it into exponential form. We know that when this is log b, base is a is equal to z, then how do we change it into exponential form? This is the base a, so the base will remain the same and this log will get exchanged with the answer. So it will become a raised to the power z is equal to b. So how will we write this? Log x to the base 5. We can write 5 raised to the power y is equal to x. Fine. Now what we have to find? To find 5 raised to the power 2y plus 3. Now again we will use exponent law. What is exponent law? It states that when two numbers, let it be a raised to the power m, is multiplied with another number with the same base but the powers are different, this a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power m plus n. Fine. This is the law. So here we can see 5 is raised to power with a plus sign in between. That means this can be written as 5 raised to the power 2y into 5 raised to the power 3. The base are same. We will add the power. So here the powers are added, which can be written like this. Fine. Now 5 raised to the power 2y can be written as 5 raised to the power y in the whole thing into 2. Means power into 2. This can be written like this. Fine. 5y को एक साथ and the power, the thing power is, whole thing का power is 2. So we can write this as 5y the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 3. Now 5y we found as x. So this will become x square into 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So what this will become as 125 x square. So we have to use the exponent law over here and even the log law. So both the laws use करके we can find the value of 5 raised to the power 2y plus 3 like this.